Hey, so for April of 2026, this is what I have for my current portfolio. So I'm going to share what I bought and sold and how much I made with option playing. Just a disclaimer, I didn't really do much with it, but I still feel like sharing it. But before getting the video started, just a disclaimer. Alright, so before getting the video started, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for entertainment and educational purposes. Always do your own research before investing. So as you can see, my portfolio in April 2026, the percentage did change for my allocation. More so in the funds. I did bought more funds in April, especially Microsoft, the leverage MSFU. This is a pretty good portion of my portfolio. In the funds section, it is 7% of it. So it's pretty good percentage. So that's why I bought. That's probably my main purchase for the month of April, which I bought it on E-Trade. So in my E-Trade account, right now, this is my individual account. So as you can see, there I have a few transactions here. So beginning of the month, this was back in March, but I did close this SoFi. So this is not really relevant. But as you can see, I play with NVIDIA, TQQQ, NVIDIA again, SoFi as well for options. But as you can see, a lot of them are still the same recurring transactions with SCHD and SCHG. They're very this transaction is a weekly purchase, so nothing new. But end of April, I did bought a 2x Microsoft stock. So it is MSFU. I bought 200 shares. I got it around 27.56. As of right now, the recording, I believe it's close around like $30, close to $30. So I'm up as of right now. And I bought it because I already have Microsoft shares. Currently, I think I have like 24 Microsoft shares. And Microsoft is, pretty steady. But also with growth too, even though the last few months haven't been good with Microsoft. But, just a temporary hit. And I believe the company, will bounce back, especially with the price. Financially, operation as a business wise, they're not doing that bad. So, and I bought 2x because it is cheaper compared to how much Microsoft is. MS, yeah, so it's quite more expensive. So I just bought leverage because already believe in that company. So I'm just gonna buy more. So I'm gonna get like double the percentage returns. So spent about, as you can see here, 5.5K on it. Yeah. So the month of April was not really too much transactions, but for my options wise, so as you can see, ignore the SoFi again. So there's only four transactions happening here. Two NVIDIA, TQQQ, and SoFi, which I already closed it as of May right now. So for April at least, up $135.31 in my individual account. But the funny thing is, in my Roth account, which I have it open, so as you can see, I believe I mentioned in the previous video as well, for my Ultra stock. So I'm actually down $130. So I only made like a positive $2 if we're gonna combine like individual and my Roth account. So I'm actually only up like $2. But I forgot what was the reason for it, but it's been a while, but I don't know what happened, but yeah, I'm down for it. So for my Coinbase, it's still the same thing. Nothing has changed. It's still $10 per week. Is really not much. And I believe I mentioned in the previous month that I want to change that. But I decided to keep using stay with this for right now because I do want to save up some dollars for it. I want to save some money for USD because I actually want to convert to some of them to uh, RMB, Chinese currency, because I do go there often. So I want to save some because I don't have that much RMB right now. So I'm trying to save some. So this is like very minor, even though it's only like $10 per week. Initially, I was planning on, $10 per day, which I'm already doing with Robinhood with it. As you can see, I've been buying like every day since like January of like 2025. So I do want to save some, even though it's not much, but it is something. I want to save some dollars because I'm already investing so much. I figure I can save some, not buying Bitcoin too much, I suppose. I'll probably do it for like 2 months for this. Then maybe like midsummer, or maybe like end towards close to end of summer. Then I'll start buying like Bitcoin like every day for like $10. At least that's the plan. Uh, I need to figure out like how much renminbi I need to be more comfortable to keep buying Bitcoin. But it's only $10 per day, so but it adds up. So yeah. So lastly, for my international account, Interactive Brokers. So I made a few transactions. I did mention about it in the previous video. I was trying to buy it towards end of March, but I was having problem executing the order. So I actually bought like an airline stock. It's Eva Air. I also bought like China Airline. I'm not sure why it didn't pop up here, but I actually did buy it. I guess it was like end of March, like the 31st or something. But I did buy it. But I guess it didn't. I guess it got executed back in March rather than April. But for Eva, I got it in April. It's really not much. This is like $100-ish, I suppose, not much. For Eva, figured to diversify. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it because of the war still going on. I suppose at least with the oil prices, so it's not really that stable right now. So I don't really want to order more EVA Airlines as of right now, but something to look out for if the price stabilize at least for the oil, especially jet fuel. But I bought Tenaga Energy company. This is a company from Malaysia, just utilities. It's pretty simple. I bought just 100 shares. Same with EVA Airline, just 100 share. That's the minimum for it. Again, I didn't really buy much. It was less than like $100. A little bit less than $100. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward what I bought from my international account. But yeah, the video is really pretty much it. Um, April, there wasn't really much transaction going on because I did start on my new job like mid-April. So I didn't really have that much transaction, especially my first few weeks working. I was like too busy and kind of distracted, so I didn't really check the market. They're just doing uh, working time, I suppose. But in May, once I get the hang of it, of the job, I did put some time that I can look at some of the stocks. So actually in May, I actually made slightly more transactions with stocks. So it's going to be more interesting. A lot of wild rides, especially with NVIDIA. But that's gonna be a video for next month, not right now. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. All right, thanks. Bye.